What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's get into some XRP talk because right now I just read an article and I want to go over this with you guys. An expert predicting that XRP price is a sleeping giant. So kind of going along with some of the stuff we've been talking about here on the channel, I'm going to break it all down for you guys. We'll take a quick dive into the chart and let's get down into it. Okay, so remember to subscribe down below, smash that like button, and as always, let me know your thoughts and feelings down below in the comments box. Okay, but here we go as we look into XRP being a sleeping giant about to be awakened. Okay, this is a talk about the XRP price. I'm going to get into that, and as always, remember, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, okay? Here we are as we look at the XRP chart, okay? You can see a little bit down on the day. These are daily candles. All right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and we'll look at more on a 4-hour scale, okay? What we can see XRP at these levels, okay? A little bit of a red candle. This has been a red dive. All right, we've talked about it. We've looked at the support level. Okay, so as we look at where we were at, this is where I would expect XRP to bounce off of this level. Okay, and this is that W forming. Okay, we've seen that forming for quite some time. XRP basically has been trading for a little bit in this range. Okay, they've been in this 50 to 60 cents range and just bouncing up and down. Okay, but if you're into the chart and you like to get into TA, this W here is a very clear sign that sometimes within this chart, when we look at the technical analysis, you can see a breakout come. And more so, we're getting this red candle. And we can see if we zoom in on it already, guys, we've since bounced up. You can see we're starting to wick up. That green candle is starting to form. All right, so we'll see where that goes from here. But as we currently stand today, XRP is down to that 50 cents level. So let's get back into it. And as always, I do want to take the time to mention today's channel sponsor, though. If you do trade on leverage, get started today. Use my link down below for a sign-up bonus. If you want to get started trading with Margex, you do get a chance to claim up to $10,000 within their registration promotion that they're doing right now on Margex. But we can trade up to 100x leverage. Now, this is something very fascinating because not just myself, but there are other people here. You can look at the leaderboard and you can actually copy people's strategies. Okay, so you're able to see and follow these traders, and you can see this one right here has over 135 people following them in their every move they're making here on Margex, earning up to 1,902% ROE. So a lot of successful traders out there. People have been making a lot of money trading with leverage on Margex. As always, do your own research and by all means get started trading with Margex today. Links down below. Okay, but here's where we talk about the XRP as a sleeping giant. This is coming out to EVI CEO Matthew Dixon with the upcoming CPI report, which is set to be released on May 15th, that we could end up awakening the sleeping giant that would propel the price of XRP much higher. All right, now what we've seen is a weaker than expected CPI reading that is to be expected, and that is going to be a major bullish catalyst for the token. All right, as we are currently recording, like I said, we've went down from 52 cents to that 50 cents level, and this is something where Dixon is projecting that XRP could hit 60 cents later on this month. Okay, so very fascinating. Like I said, that would be about a 20% move up if we could get to 60 cents, and that would be a very good gain if you can lock in those profits and get 20% back on your XRP. If you're into swing trading it and you want to just get in that opportunity and enter into a position or just kind of, add to your bags, that is something where 60 cents XRP, definitely 20% is something that I can get down with for sure. Okay, but this is something where we've seen the 8th consecutive day within the U.S. stock indexes that we are seeing, a little bit more of a gain, where we saw the dovish statements made by Federal Reserve Chair Powell, dismissing the stagflation concerns. That's kind of what's been impacting us since April, and Bitcoin went as low as $56,000. All right, now that 0.3% CPI data increase that we're supposed to see on Wednesday coming up is something where it's going to be lower than the expected reading, okay? And that will be a boon for risk assets, according to the likes of Matthew Dixon, all right? So that would be something where we see a huge dramatic inflation drop. And it's kind of funny where we see, guys, how this all correlates and corresponds to the upcoming election and how we're getting so close. We're in May, all right, but we're not in the fall yet. where that really starts to heat up. But you can kind of connect the dots on this one. It's funny how inflation just suddenly decreases as we get closer to an election. So just a little tidbit on that. But that's where we could see, something where if inflation declines substantially, that could be what we need to be the catalyst to start the crypto market and propel Bitcoin to as high as $150,000 this year. That's coming out from Tom Lee, a little bit more bullish within that sentiment. So that's kind of what we got going on. XRP, as always, guys, you understand the situation. They're stuck in the courthouse. We got to get out of the courthouse, back into the traders' hands where we can reclaim the market, have the bulls reclaim the territory once lost, and we can actually enjoy XRP in a bull cycle. So that's what I got going on. I hope you all are doing well. Remember to subscribe down below, smash that like button, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.